How to use E6000 to fix vinyl siding. So first thing you want to do is take a good rag and wipe clean the surface area you're going to be applying the E6000 to. You don't want any contaminants on your vinyl siding. I prefer to use a microfiber cloth because it does a really good job, but you can really use anything you want as long as it's not going to leave any debris behind. Next, get your E6000, and on the cap you'll notice there's a little punch on there. Punch a little hole in the top of the E6000. I absolutely love this product. It comes in real handy for projects like this. And if you don't know where to get some, I'll leave a link in the description. So next you want to take your E6000 and put a little bead down on your vinyl siding, right where it lips at. It's kind of like a tube of toothpaste, so you want to go slow with it so you don't get any drips or drabs. You want to try and have a continuous bead all the way across the outer lip. If you miss a spot, that's fine. You can go back over it like I'm doing here. And you can see how a little bit dripped down. That's not a big deal. I'm just going to take my cloth and wipe it clean so it doesn't leave any permanent stain on there. Once you get all that up, go ahead and do the inner lip of the vinyl, because the end goal here is we're going to try and snap that vinyl back together. And with the new E6000 on there, it should never come on snapped. I mean, if it does, we have a bigger problem. Probably like a hurricane or tornado came through. And even then, I'm not sure if it would do it. Now, this is the most important part. After you've got done applying the E6000 to the inner and outer lip, you need to wait 2 to 4 minutes before snapping it back together. That gives it time that the glue is going to adhere first to the vinyl and then to itself. Go ahead and pop your vinyl back in and make sure it's tight and snaps back into place. You should never have this problem again. Thanks for watching, guys.